Are you a victim of stubborn dandruff? Do you perpetually feel like scratching your scalp? Does your scalp just never feel clean enough no matter how much you wash it? Here's a step that's gonna change your life. Scalp exfoliation. Hi guys, I'm Sana and welcome back to the Sublime Life YouTube channel. Your one stop for all things hair, skincare, beauty, makeup and more. While most of us must be familiar with exfoliating our scalp exfoliation can still sound like an alien concept to many. However, it's a super important step as the scalp goes through a lot. Now every day as you sweat and hustle, the scalp accumulates all the sweat and pollution, and along with the natural oils that are already present, it can clog your pores and suffocate your hair follicles, causing dandruff and itchiness. Enter scalp exfoliation. Now scalp exfoliation has a number of benefits such as, first, it helps you get rid of all the gunk and the buildup, letting your hair follicles breathe, giving you a squeaky clean scalp. Second, it helps control dandruff. This can work both ways. Now sometimes your scalp can be too dry and as a result it can experience dandruff as irritation, or your scalp can produce a lot of sebum or natural oils leading to dandruff. Now exfoliation helps to thoroughly cleanse all the dandruff away. Third, it can balance the scalp pH. Now sometimes gunk can build up on your scalp and can lead to a compromised protective barrier and pH imbalance, making it a breeding ground for bacteria, leading to more itchiness and greasiness. Fourth, it encourages hair growth and shinier hair too. Now as you remove all the dead skin cells, it encourages more cell turnover on your scalp, letting newer, fresher cells surface. This can lead to hair growth and shinier hair too. Now what should you look for in an exfoliator? Look for clarifying agents such as charcoal, salicylic acid, lactic acid or glycolic acid. Our favorite and the breakthrough in the Indian market is the Flawsome pre-shampoo treatment. It has 3% salicylic acid with botanical extracts of 𝗣𝗿𝗂𝗰𝘁 𝗵𝗲𝗰 methi, etc. along with shea butter, panthenol and glycerine to calm cranky and irritated scalp. It works for all hair types including curly hair too. Now how to use it? Apply the gel on your scalp in sections and leave it in for 8 to 10 minutes. Rinse it off and follow it with a gentle shampoo. For dandruff-prone hair, use an anti-dandruff shampoo like the True Frog Anti-Dandruff Shampoo. Now, how often should you do this? Now, if you're someone who has a dry scalp, do it at least once a week. And if you're someone who has a dandruff-prone or an oily scalp, try to do it at least 1 to 2 times a week. Also, just patch test before using it. Once you start exfoliating your scalp, I promise you will see the difference. Your hair is going to become much more healthier. We hope this helps. Let us know if you have any questions in the comment box below. Thank you.